choosing the right indoor pizza oven. Fear not, pizza enthusiasts, we've put 5 top contenders through their paces to help you find your perfect match. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. This countertop powerhouse takes the crown for best overall indoor pizza oven. Living up to its pizzaiolo name, Italian for pizza maker, the Breville boasts impressive features. Its innovative Element IQ system heats from above and below, delivering an impressive 800 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly blistered crusts. Plus, the built-in stone deck mimics a traditional pizza oven, ensuring even heat distribution. Experience. We were particularly impressed by Breville's pre-programmed settings for different crust styles. Thin, classic pan, and its intuitive controls, pizzas are cooked evenly and quickly, with a delightful char on the crust. However, the price tag is definitely on the steeper side. Number 2. Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. For a budget-friendly option, the Presto Pizzazz Plus offers a surprisingly good bang for your buck. This countertop convection oven features a rotating stone for even cooking and a self-cleaning function, a major plus. While it won't reach the scorching temperatures of the Breville, it's perfect for those who prioritize convenience and affordability. Experience. The Presto surprised us with its ability to produce decent pizzeria-style pizzas. The rotating stone ensured even browning, and the self-cleaning function made post-pizza cleanup a breeze. However, the temperature limitations mean achieving that supercharred crust might be difficult. Number 3. Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven. Another contender in the value category, the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven offers a no-frills approach to pizza perfection. This compact oven features a heating element on the bottom and a non-stick baking surface. While it lacks the sophistication of the Breville or the rotating stone of the Presto, it's a simple and affordable option for occasional pizza nights. Experience. The Cuisinart produced decent pizzas, but the lack of a top heating element resulted in slightly uneven browning on the cheese. It's a good choice for basic pizzas, but those seeking a truly restaurant-quality experience might want to look elsewhere. Number 4. Ooni Volt 12 Electric Pizza Oven. This innovative offering from Ooni boasts the unique claim of being the world's first indoor-outdoor pizza oven. The Ooni Volt utilizes powerful 1300W electric heating elements to reach temperatures exceeding 660 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring crispy crusts. Plus, its detachable cord allows for easy transition from countertop to patio. Experience. While we weren't able to test the outdoor functionality, the Ooni Volt delivered impressive results indoors. The high heat produced excellent crusts, and the compact size makes it a good option for smaller kitchens. However, the price might be a deterrent for some. Number 5. Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. Rounding out our list is the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven, another budget-friendly option with a focus on simplicity. This countertop oven features a heating element on the bottom and a non-stick baking pan. It's a basic setup, but perfect for those who just want to whip up a quick and easy pizza without breaking the bank. Experience. The Chefman was the most basic of the bunch. While it cooked pizzas reasonably well, the lack of a top heating element and a non-stick surface made achieving that pizzeria-style crust a challenge. However, for the price, it's a decent option for casual pizza enjoyment.